Hi, so this is how to get started on the blog for the class. First thing is you need to go to this website, wordpress.com, and it has both the software and also the server space for your site, so you don't need to provide anything. If you already have used WordPress before, you can you can log in using your existing email or username for WordPress. The one thing you might want to think about is if you want your material for this class to be posted anonymously. If you do, then you probably should use a whole new account so that it's not associated with any existing blog you have. So if you either have never used WordPress before or you want to set up something completely independent for this particular project, then just click on the orange Get Started button. And then you enter your email address. And then you can give it your account a username. So I'll just pick the username they generated for me. Now, again, if you would like to blog anonymously, you should pick a username that has nothing to do with your email address. So I might pick, you don't know me or something like that. I don't particularly care, so I'm just going to stick with what they generated. A little check mark here means that that username is available. If it's not available, there'll be an X and it will tell you that it's not available. And you create a password. So I'm going to create that's my made up password and my blog address. Usually the blog address that they generate for you is based on your username. So pick a blog address. The little check mark again here will tell you if it's available. Again, if you don't want anyone to know who you are, pick a blog address that has nothing to do with your name or your affiliation with Pacific. And then if you really like this site, they have all these pay versions where you can get, different features, more space, and so forth. But for this class, the free options are perfectly fine. And then you click on that, excellent, and create your blog. And we wait for a moment while it processes. And then it asks you to set up. So here you give the title of your blog. It could be the address, or it could be, let's say, I'll give it Dr. S's blog about teaching at Pacific. And we'll make the tagline, which is just a little phrase about the blog. Just super cool stuff. And then next. Then you choose a theme. My suggestion is you go easy. These are all, various styles. You probably don't want to pay for it, and you don't need something that is going to have a lot of photographs because you're probably going to have a lot of text. So something like this is really especially good for people who have a lot of art or photographs or something. So I've been picking 2012 because it's an easy theme to use and I know how to use it. I recommend if you have never used WordPress before, you might just go ahead and pick 2012 as well, since everything I'm doing from now on is going to be in 2012. Now, you can connect with your Twitter or Facebook account. I'm not going to. And then you can create your first post on your blog. So I will create one that just says text that says, welcome to my blog. More cool stuff to come. All right, great. Now I get this little message saying a confirmation email was sent to my email address. Confirmation will enable publishing of posts on your blog. So nobody's going to be able to see anything until you confirm to WordPress that you are who you say you are. So I go to my email and I see this little notice. Woo, look, WordPress has my account. Now I need to confirm my email address. So I open the email, click confirm, and there we go. Now, if I click on the title of my blog, you'll see my blog. It looks like it didn't publish that post. So I can show you how that works in a moment by showing you. So here's the blog. This is what it looks like when it's blank. The way to run everything on your blog is to click on this little earth here, the earth, and then dashboard. And dashboard will take you to basically under the hood, everything you need to know about your site. This is going to seem overwhelming at first. And because there are so many options and you don't know what they all are. And really, you don't need to worry about everything that's under the hood right now. So there's lots of stuff here. You don't need to panic. The one thing you might want to look at is your posts. So like that post that I just posted here, all posts, click on that, is right here. And it's only a draft. It hasn't actually been published, so it's not live. That's why. I'll tell you more about how to publish a page or a post on your blog later. This video is only for how to set up the site. I'll do another one all about this. So I recommend you just hang tight for the next video to show you how to post something online. The other thing you need to do in order to get credit for this assignment is to go down here to users in your dashboard. So again, to get to your dashboard, you click on this little globe, you see dashboard. This W also could give you a shortcut to some things, like if you want to do a new post, that'll take you to a shortcut. But the dashboard has everything. So go to the dashboard, and the dashboard menu, you'll see users. You need to invite me as a user. So that way, even if everything you post on your blog is completely private, so the rest of the internet can't see it, I can see it. And you just type my email address in there. And you should give me the role of editor. You don't want to make me an administrator. You're the administrator. You are in charge. But please make me an editor so that I can see everything you can see. And if there's any crisis, I can get in and delete something or add something if necessary. I promise I will not abuse this privilege, but it would be a good idea for you to just make me an editor. So to get credit for this assignment, just make me an editor and then click send the invitation. Now, here we go. And then I will get a little invitation in my email inbox so that I can come and join your blog. That is all you need to do for this first piece of the assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.